Hey you guys, the parrots are on the sunflowers again. They were literally just fighting the squirrels for the sunflower seeds. I didn't catch that, but I'll back it up later and try to get it for you guys. There's another bird out there too. Just not sure where he's at. But we heard him squawking, and they were literally battling the squirrel for that big mammoth sunflower. That sunflower's not going to get to bloom all the way. Sorry, I'm shaking you all over the place, but I'm literally just on the camera to the monitor, security monitor. So picking this up. It's up on the power line. But I can't believe there's only 2 of them left. There was 20 plus birds that used to come in here every year at this time. And if you plant these sunflowers, then they'll stop in your yard. And now it's down to 2. Where are they going? It's weird. They're so pretty, and they're big birds. Because that's a mammoth sunflower. That's not one of those little ones. That's one of those monster ones. Look at it. Place here called Jungle Gardens, and my dad told me that these birds were wild here because years and years ago, or any time that there's like hurricanes, stuff like that gets out. So we got all different kinds of parrots. Parakeets. I know out at Longboat Key, that place is covered up with parakeets. It has been ever since I was a kid. I'd say that's just for people getting birds, deciding they don't want them and turning them loose. That's what they do with their pythons here too. It causes a big problem. And literally here, I've got a sign up that says iguana crossing because I've had iguanas run across my yard. So yeah, people need to quit turning their pets loose. Well, I get hurricanes, it just happens. Oh, look at it. I think he's getting curious about Cam down there. This is a pear. Or she. I don't know. I'm pretty sure my neck is going to stay in this position. I'm looking straight up. Oh my goodness. I just don't understand what happened to the rest of them. I literally have film on an old VCR camera from probably 10 or 12 years ago. I don't even know. I've got lots of still shots too. And now it's like only 2. I wonder if they move somewhere else. Like are nesting somewhere else. I just haven't seen them in a couple years. What was the most we seen last year? 7 or 8?
Yeah, 7 or 8 of them.
And it was like, whoa. Where's the other 20? I thought there'd, like, be more of them. Dude, he's gonna finish that sunflower off. He keeps looking at the cam. He's like, what are you? I hope nobody's like trying to catch these birds and sell them and stuff because they're completely wild. Completely wild. You can barely touch the back door and they're gone. So if anybody like tries to catch them and does, it would not work out. They're wild. Dude, he's shredding my sunflower. It's kind of hard to watch. But then again, it's not either because if this is a pair, they've either laid eggs or got eggs or wonder when they do all that. That's average things, I don't know. It is spring, right?
Mm-hmm.
Think they're nesting?
Definitely.
Maybe that's why there's only 2 coming out. Maybe we're just seeing like 2 birds at a time. But then why did they used to all come out at once? I don't know. I just don't understand where they all went. Because there's a whole gang of them. My arm is officially numb. Oh my goodness, and he's just getting cuter. Or she. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, I wish I had a better camera. Zoom in on that, because it's kind of pixelating up. I can see. Look at that. Where did the other one go? Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh. Oh. Oh, Stella, sit in the window. She's seen it fly. Sissy? Is it gone?
They're both sitting on the car list.
Oh, are they?
Both of them now, yeah.
Oh, whoops, there they are back. There's one back. See, they're taking turns eating.
Yeah, they're both sitting there waiting.
Oh my goodness. Now it's the other bird's turn. They're pulling the petals off, aren't they?
pulling everything.
They're pulling everything off. I'm sorry I'm bouncing you guys around, but my arms are so tired. Pretty sure. Oh, look at how long its tail is. Tail feathers. I can see somebody looking at that and going, "Oh, I would love to have the bird. I would love to have the big green parrot." But they're wild, people. They need to be left alone. I hope nobody bothers these two. I've been watching them for years. It's just so weird to wonder, where are they? Oh, he's down in the... There's a smaller one. Sunflower right in there. And it jumped down to it. I need a tripod that's about 8 foot tall right now. Hang on. He's right in there somewhere. I think. I know it flew down there. I guess, see, and that's weird how one's staying up on the line while one eats. Like it's standing guard. So that tells me they're terribly afraid of people. Because they wouldn't even be back there. See, the other one's up on the line. I can't. It's on that line, but yeah, it goes out of frame. Okay, hang on, you guys. I'm gonna. Okay, you guys, I can hear them squawking, and they're sitting up on the line, right side by side. But we can't see them. None of the cams pick the line up in that angle. But they're sitting up there together. There's a dog barking back. I can hear them squawking. But a dog has got them scared right now. If they come back down, I'll turn this back on, you guys. Hear them? Okay, we'll be back in a bit, you guys. Okay, you guys, this right here is a big sunflower. So when that blooms, we will get some excellent shots of these little boogers. And they're still sitting up on the line. And I think they're waiting for the squirrels to come back. They're guarding it. They're guarding their seeds because there's a huge sunflower that's down in this area. It's a big, beautiful, it's in one of my videos. They're not touching it. It's like they're feeding off of certain pieces and then guarding these flowers from the squirrels. Because it's what made me notice it. I heard them squawk. And I looked at the monitor, and there was a squirrel running away, and the parrots were flying in. So I think they're keeping the squirrels run off from it, which would be awesome because the squirrels do manage to get in a lot of stuff that they should not be getting in, like cars or anything. They get in everything and build nests. Can't wait till that one blooms. You guys, we're going to get some good footage. Okay, I think they're literally just hanging out up on the lines. And I don't have anything that zooms in that far. So I'm going to turn it off here, and we'll try to go back through the cam and figure out what the parrots and the squirrels were doing We'll talk to you later. Have a good, what is this, Saturday? Have a good weekend. Bye, guys.